We humans, we look up, we gaze at the night sky, a velvet canvas strewn with diamond dust, and we wonder, where did all this come from? How did it begin? These are not new questions. They are as old as conscious thought itself. This innate curiosity, this deep-seated need to understand our origins, is a fundamental part of the human experience. It's what drives us to explore, to question, to seek. The universe whispers its secrets and we lean in, eager to hear its story. This quest for understanding our cosmic address is a journey that has spanned millennia. Long before our powerful telescopes pierced the cosmic darkness, long before equations described the fabric of space-time, there were stories, myths, legends, creation narratives. These were humanity's first attempts to make sense of the grand, overwhelming mystery of existence. They were efforts to explain the inexplicable, to provide a framework for understanding our place in the cosmos. While not scientific in the way we understand the term today, these ancient tales hold a profound poetic truth. They speak to our enduring need for meaning, for a connection to something larger than ourselves. These narratives were our first cosmic maps. From the ancient lands of India, from the depths of Vedic wisdom, comes a captivating concept. Hiranyagarbha, the golden embryo, the cosmic egg. Picture this, a single, radiant point of light, a seed containing all potential, the entirety of existence yet to unfold. This luminous womb from which the entire universe was said to be born. It's a powerful, evocative image, a universe gestating, held in nascent form, waiting for the moment of its grand debut. This golden egg wasn't just a thing, it was a state of being, pregnant with all possibilities. This Hiranyagarbha, this golden egg, symbolized the unmanifest, the potential before the actuality of creation. It floated, according to some texts, in a boundless ocean of nothingness, or perhaps an ocean of undifferentiated everythingness. Then a stirring, a cosmic impulse, a desire for creation to manifest. From this singular unified point, the magnificent diversity of the cosmos began to emerge. The one became the many. This ancient Indian story offers a profound and elegant metaphor for the birth of everything we see, everything we are, and everything we are yet to discover. Now let us fast forward through the ages, thousands of years. We arrive in the 20th and 21st centuries. Science, armed with its ever more sophisticated tools of observation, experimentation, and mathematics, has developed its own narrative of cosmic origins. We call it the Big Bang Theory. This theory describes a universe that began its existence in an extraordinarily hot, incredibly dense state. Imagine all the energy, all the matter that would eventually form galaxies, stars, planets, and us, compressed into a volume smaller than an atom. A moment of unimaginable intensity. Think about it, the Big Bang wasn't an explosion space as is commonly misunderstood, it was an expansion space itself, and time. From that initial intensely energetic state, the universe began to expand and cool. As it cooled, fundamental particles began to form. Protons, neutrons, electrons. These then combined to create the first atoms, primarily hydrogen and helium, the lightest and most abundant elements. Over vast cosmic timescales, gravity sculpted these primordial elements into the first stars and galaxies. A grand cosmic evolution, unfolding over billions of years. Interestingly, if we journey back to ancient texts like the Rig Veda, one of humanity's oldest spiritual documents, we find other echoes of creation. The Vedic hymns speak of a time before existence, a state of non-being, often described as darkness concealed by darkness. Then desire arose, considered the primal seed of mind, the first impulse towards manifestation. Sound, or vak, speech, is often depicted as playing a crucial role in the unfolding of creation. The hymns also allude to cosmic waters and the emergence of the fundamental elements that make up our world. The Vedas describe the emergence of Dyaus-Pita, the Sky Father, and Prithvi Mata, the Earth Mother, the Sun, the Moon, and the stars. They speak of Skamba, the cosmic pillar, that which supports the universe, a concept hinting at an underlying structure or order in the cosmos. These ancient seers, through poetic and metaphorical language, were grappling with the very same fundamental questions that occupy cosmologists today. They sought to comprehend the origins and the structure of the reality they inhabited, using the intellectual and spiritual tools available to them. Consider the parallels. Hiranyagarbha, the golden cosmic egg, a singular point of origin containing all potential. The Big Bang singularity, a point of near infinite density and temperature from which the universe expanded. Isn't that a striking convergence of imagery? Both ancient spiritual traditions and modern scientific cosmology point towards a beginning, a moment, or a state, from which the universe as we know it came into being. From a condition of profound unity, the vast diversity of the cosmos emerged. This resonance across millennia and cultures is truly thought-provoking. The theme of the one becoming the many is powerfully present in both narratives. The golden egg of Hiranyagarbha breaks open, or hatches, releasing the multifaceted creation within. The Big Bang singularity undergoes a rapid expansion, leading to the differentiation of energy into matter, and the subsequent formation of galaxies, stars, planets, and eventually life. Both stories, one steeped in spiritual metaphor and the other in mathematical physics, describe a fundamental transition from a state of ultimate simplicity and unity to a universe teeming with intricate complexity and diverse phenomena. This shared motif is deeply compelling. Of course, science and spirituality approach these grand questions through different methodologies. Science relies on empirical observation, rigorous experimentation, and the development of falsifiable theories described by mathematics. It demands evidence that can be independently verified and builds its understanding incrementally. Spirituality, on the other hand, often draws upon intuition, contemplative practices, personal experience, and sacred texts. It frequently explores questions of meaning, purpose, consciousness, and our intrinsic connection to the cosmos. One primarily asks how things work, the other often delves into the why of existence. Scientific knowledge is by its very nature provisional. It is constantly being refined, updated, and sometimes overturned as new data and better theories emerge. It's a self-correcting process. Spiritual insights, while they can evolve, often speak to timeless human concerns and offer frameworks for ethical living, inner peace, and understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. While their methods and the nature of their claims differ significantly, both science and spirituality represent profound human endeavors to comprehend the multifaceted nature of reality. They are distinct, yet potentially complementary paths toward understanding. One cannot help but wonder, could ancient sages, through deep contemplation and intuition, have grasped certain fundamental truths about the universe? Without the sophisticated instruments of modern science, without the language of advanced mathematics, did they perceive something essential about cosmic origins? Perhaps through profound states of meditation, through meticulous observation of nature's cycles, or through an intuitive leap of consciousness. Their rich metaphors, like the cosmic egg, might be poetic articulations of these deep intuitive insights into the workings of reality. The human mind is an extraordinary phenomenon. It is capable of astonishing feats of abstract thought, pattern recognition, creativity, and profound introspection. It's plausible that these ancient thinkers, by turning their keen observational powers inward, or by deeply attuning themselves to the rhythms of the natural world, arrived at conceptions of the cosmos that, in their essence, resonate with some of the discoveries of modern science. Their language was that of myth and symbol. Their tools were contemplation and insight, but their quest was the same as ours. To understand, science and spirituality need not be viewed as adversaries locked in eternal conflict. They can, and perhaps should, be seen as complementary pathways to knowledge and wisdom. Science can brilliantly illuminate the physical mechanisms of the universe, from the smallest subatomic particles to the largest galactic superclusters. Spirituality can help us find meaning, purpose, and a sense of belonging within this vast, intricate cosmos. Imagine a future where the awe inspired by scientific discoveries deepens our spiritual reverence, and where spiritual insights spark new avenues of scientific inquiry. The journey from the metaphorical golden egg of ancient lore to the scientifically described Big Bang is, at its heart, a story of unceasing human curiosity. It is a powerful testament to our species' relentless desire to understand our origins and our place in the universe. Whether we explore these mysteries through ancient hymns and philosophical treatises, or through complex equations and powerful telescopes, we are all engaged in the same fundamental quest for connection with the cosmos. The universe is a place of staggering beauty, profound mystery, and endless wonder. Embracing both scientific inquiry and spiritual reflection can only enrich our experience of this grand cosmic dance. We are, after all, configurations of stardust, gifted with the ability to ponder the stars from which we came.